Hi, today I come up with a new topic that is lab training step by step in Azure. Course introduction and structure. Azure hands-on training overview and objectives. Structure hands-on labs. The training provides step-by-step labs that build practical Azure skills through guided exercises, core Azure services covered. Participants work with essential Azure components like VMs, virtual networks, and Azure Active Directory. Focus on security and governance. Labs emphasize secure configuration, monitoring, and governance following best practices for cloud adoption. Suitable for certifications and roles. The training supports cloud engineers, admin, security pros, and certification exam preparation. Agenda and lab flow explanation. Work core infrastructure setup. Start by creating a resource group and deploying a virtual machine to build functional cloud infrastructure. Networking and security. Implement virtual networks, subnets, and network security groups to manage traffic and enforce network segmentation. Identify and access management. Configure the role based access control and deploy key vault for secure permission management and secret storage. Monitoring and cleanup. Use Azure Monitor and Defender for cloud for security monitoring, then perform cleanup to manage resources responsibility. Core Azure hands-on labs. Lab 1. Creating and managing an Azure resource group. Role of resource group. Organize related to Azure resources for simplified management, access control, and cost tracking. Create a resource group. Learners create resources groups in Azure portal by selecting a subscription region and assigning consistent names. Practical usage and governance. Resource groups enable separation of workloads, apply RBAC permission, and improve governance and cost management. Lab 2. Deploying an Azure virtual machine. VM creation and OS selection. Learners initiate VM creation in Azure portal, choosing between Linux and Windows operating system. VM sizing and performance. Selecting VM size like standard B2S balances cost and performance for lab deployments. Secure administrative access.